Oh no. Okay, sorry about that. So we're going to find the equation of this line, of the line that has that point and that slope, right? And like a lot of the time, you're taught to use a formula called the point slope formula. It's kind of a clever name, right? Because if you have a point and a slope, you can use the point slope formula. But I don't like it. I think there's an easier way. But I'll show you both ways, okay? I like just doing this, because your answer is going to be an equation of a line, and this is what the equation of a line looks like. Y equals mx plus b, where, in case you forgot, that's your slope, right? And this is your y-intercept. And the reason that's your y-intercept, if you remember, for your y-intercept, x is always 0. So if x was 0, this whole thing would be gone. You'd have y equals b. That's your y-intercept. Okay. Now, do you see we have an x and we have a y? Do you see what I mean? We have an x and we have a y. We have an x, we have a y. We also have a slope right there. So to use this to find the y-intercept, all we got to do is plug in x, plug in y, plug in the slope. So y is 5. The slope is 5. X is -1 plus b. So putting this all together, that's it. So I think that 10 is the y-intercept. Do you agree? Because you'd have to, right? Oh, that's supposed to say plus b. I don't know why I put equals. Because it's been a long day. Yeah. So is that good? Okay, so then our answer is this. This is our answer. Y equals, now the slope was 5, x plus 10. That's our answer. So it's pretty simple, and I like it because it relates the information directly to our answer. Now I'll show you this way. This isn't totally useless, but it's kind of ugly. So here's what you got to do. The thing you got to recognize about this is that the coordinates you have, they go here. It matters where you put them. They have to go here and here. They can't go here or here, because it'll be all messed up. Now m is 5 still, so y minus 5 equals 5 times x minus -1. And then, boy, a couple things we got to take care of right here, right? This becomes plus because it's minus a negative, and then we also have to distribute. So y minus 5 equals 5x plus 5. Add 5 to both sides. Y equals 5x plus 10. Same answer either way. Doesn't matter to me. This one I believe is way easier. But it doesn't matter which way you do. That's it. Now how can we make sure we're right? Yeah, we could see if this is a solution. Because remember, solutions make this true. So if this is on the line, like if this is an answer, if y equals 5 and x equals -1 makes this whole thing true, then I think we got it right. So let's check that. So here's what we're going to do. Y is 5, x is -1, and let's see if this is a true statement. So this would be 5 equals -5 plus 10. That's true, right? Because that equals 5, doesn't it? So we are DONE finished, and I believe we're right. All right.